Hello guys, welcome again to another YouTube section. This time around we'll be looking at Robot Coupe blender. This is an industrial blender. I know some of us have never come across it before. You can see how big it is. This bowl, this is where the main item are placed. This is how it operates. You open it from here. You open. Let's see. Lift the lid up. The lid is up now. It's upright now. Look at the bowl. This is the blade. You can see the blade. This is the blade that the machine uses in blending. This bowl could be removed. You can see the handle. See the other handle. Look at the other handle here. After the main blending, you use this to tilt it. This is used to tilt this bowl so as to get the item inside this bowl out. Let's attempt to cover it again. You can see it's covered again. You can open it again and cover it again. You can see this is anchored for safety, and you lock it. This is the operation parts. This is the operation buttons. This is to blend. This is speed 1, this is speed 2, this is timer. This one is the screen. This one is also timer. You can increase or decrease. And you can see this is R60. That's the model. You can see how it is. Let me see if I can get the entire view. You can see how big it is. So this is capable of blending up to 60 I say 60. You can see how big the container is. I think the container is rated about 60 liters. Yes, it's in liters. 60 liters. So this is how the machine looks like. An industrial blending machine. Thank you for viewing. If you have any question, you can ask through my YouTube channel. Thank you.